Hi, this is Dee from SimplyDeeBeauty. In today's video, I want to show you a couple of things that I picked up from BOUCHE ROUGE, which is like the first time I try this brand, and I'm really excited. So what I picked up was one of their eyeshadow palettes. I only got the refill. I didn't get the case, not yet anyhow. It's the eyeshadow in the shade Shilma. I'm really excited to try this out. I did do an unboxing video and an unboxing reel on my Instagram, so if you're interested in seeing that, then check out my Instagram. The handle is down below in the description box. And I also picked up 2 lipsticks. This one I did pick up a case. Look how beautiful it is. I custom made it to that color that I wanted with my initials, and it is beautiful. It is magnetic. It is handmade with hand stitched, and I noticed that it does have like a mirror in the bottom, so that's really nice. And it has the emblem on top, the Rouge emblem. And I did get two lipsticks. I got the Red Andreea, or is it Andreea red or the Red Andreea, which is this beautiful red. And I also got the refill in the shade Nude Red, which is this one. They're both beautiful. Let me do a hand swatch real quick, and then I'm gonna do a lip swatch. So this is Nude Red, and this is the Red Andreea, which is, if you don't know, it is a collab they did with Andreea Ali from YouTube. I'm gonna put her YouTube channel on the description box if you guys, in case you don't know who she is. So these are the 2 lipsticks. Let me do a swatching real quick. I do have most of the makeup on already. What I'm going to do first, I think I'm going to do the eyeshadows first, and then I'll do the lipsticks. So I'm going to pick up a Wayne Goss fluffy brush. This is a number 6. And what I'm going to do is I am going to, they're all like satin or shimmers. Things like satin formula. So I think I'm gonna use this one in the outer corner and then use these 2. I'm not gonna use this one just today. I'm gonna do the swatch in the back of my hand, and then I'll play with it on my eyes. Yeah, they're all like satin shades, and they're just beautiful. Look at that, how gorgeous. And that was just one twirl and just one swipe. I think they're beautiful. So let's start with, I think I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna do this one like all over the crease area. I'm gonna do this one in the outer half, and then I'll do this one in the inner half, and then maybe I'll just put this one under the waterline. Let's see how it looks. It's picked up really nicely. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's picked up really nicely by the brush. Now with that same brush, I'm gonna flip it and get that really pretty pink magenta color. I don't know how to describe it, like that really nice plum purple. And I'm gonna apply it on the outer half. And it just blends so nicely. And there's no fallout on my face. Beautiful satin color. Now I'm gonna get a more little pouty brush. This is from Sonia G, and I'm gonna get that more champagne-y color and apply it here. So let me get my favorite fluffy brush from Scott Barnes, and I'm just gonna buff the rough edges here in the outer corner, the outer lid, just like that, and also up here. So what do you think about that? Isn't that pretty? It's a beautiful eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab some more and take it more to the corner here. So I'm gonna get a really small tiny brush. Well, the tiniest one that I have right now that is clean is also from Sonia G, and I'm gonna grab that darker plum color and apply it on the waterline. I need to get another tiny brush. This is not the tiny one that I'm looking for, but I'm gonna get that champagne-y color. The one I applied in the inner corner, inner half, and then apply that right here in the bottom, in the waterline. And just blend it here in the middle. Alright, let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. So here's a swatching of Nude Red. It is beautiful. I feel it like so smoothing and hydrating for the lips. It's so soft, so buttery. It's like I almost feel like I have nothing on, just a little bit, but I know that I have lipstick on. It just feels so nice, and it's a beautiful color. It has some red but some brown. That's why it's called Nude Red. It's not completely opaque. It's a little bit see-through, just a little bit. It's just gorgeous, and it's a pity I have to take it off, but I do want to try the Red Andreea, the Andreea Red, which is also a beautiful shade that I'm very excited to try. So let me take this one out and I'll do a swatching now of the red one. It just feels so pretty on the hand, like it feels so luxurious. I love it very much actually, but let's try the color now. So I know I am aware that I overlined just a little bit, but that's alright, doesn't look that bad. But my first thought is this one's supposed to be matte and the other one is supposed to be satin formula. Although this is matte, it is not drying. I don't feel it dry on my lips at all. I do feel my lips very smooth and it feels really nice, very light on my lips. At first I had to, you could tell, you could see that I had to apply it a few times. I guess it's like to break that first barrier, for lack of another word. I don't know if that's the word, but just to, I had to swap it a few times to get to this color. But then after it was fine. So I guess it's just like that first layer, I had to break through it or something. Otherwise I think it's a beautiful color. I think it's like the perfect red. Because, well, on the camera it looks a little bit towards orange, but in person it's more like a blue red, and I think it's just beautiful. I have nothing else to say about this. I did overline just a little bit. I am aware of that, but otherwise that's not the lipstick's fault, it's my fault. It feels very soft, very buttery. It just feels really nice, very light. Like, I like that. So I still need to put on mascara and eyebrows. Let me do that and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. Mascara is on, eyebrows are slightly done. I have everything else. I'm so excited about these lipsticks. They're beautiful, and the quad is also very gorgeous. I am gonna go back most likely to the website and pick up a few more shades. I'm very excited. I'm very happy that I picked up these 3 items. Let me know in the comments below if you tried anything from the brand, or if you tried any of these items in particular. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really curious to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.